Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Chrissy M and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Alright, you guys, so as you can see in my background, I'm like nice, warm, and cozy here in my bedroom recording this video for you guys. But I wanted to hop on here, you guys, because Maybelline came out with their coffee matte liquid lipsticks and I wanted to swatch those on my lips, you guys. They're nice, warm, and they're cozy, and plus they smell like coffee. So if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hey girl, what's up? Or hey guy, what's up? Welcome to your girl's channel. My channel is all about fashion, makeup, lifestyle with some vlogs. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos, because you don't want to miss anything that I bring. So let's go ahead and get into the video, guys. Let me first off by saying, you guys, I love a matte lip. Like, I love a good matte lip, but I only stick to normally 2 colors, or maybe three shades of like a matte lip or a lip gloss that I wear, which is normally nude, a pink, and then a red. So I've never gone way off the border to try these warm tones on my lip for my skin tone. So this is like my first time actually trying it, you guys, and seeing how it is. Now, this is a matte liquid lipstick. Like I said, it's supposed to be a 16-hour wear, and then no transfer proof. So if I was supposed to put my mask over or put anything up against my lip, it shouldn't transfer through the actual mask. So you guys, I actually have a mask here. I have a white mask here. I'm just gonna turn it this way. I am gonna put it up against my lip once I do put the lipsticks on my lips, just so I can see if that is true, if it's really transfer resistant, because you know, some of the products can say that it is, but it really isn't. And this is a drugstore brand too, so you just never know. So let's go ahead and get into the video, you guys. All right, you guys, so these are the shades that I have here. So the colors that I got, or the flavors, should I say, since they're coffee. The flavors that I got was Chai Genius, I got Mocha Inventor, and then I got Cocoa Concierge. So, oh my gosh, like I said, these are like colors that I probably would normally never wear. Maybe this one, but these two I would never really wear these tones. So I'm actually gonna swatch them on my lip, you guys. I'm actually gonna swatch them on the back of my hand so that way you guys can actually see them. So I'm actually gonna start off with the Chai Genius. And you guys, it actually smells like chai. I'm gonna swatch it on the back of my hand so that way you guys can actually see the color, you guys, of this. And I'm loving how it's actually going on my hand. It looks really good. All right, so there's the Chai Genius, you guys. Really, really pretty, like a nude. It has like a pink tint to it, and I like that because, like I said, I normally would rock a pink lip, even though if it was matte or if it was a gloss, pink is like my go-to. So let's go ahead and put this on our lip, you guys, to see how it actually looks on my skin tone and on my lips. You guys, I actually like that. And I really don't like nudes like that, but this looks so good. And you guys, it is very light. Let me say that. It's very light. It looks so good. And it dries pretty quickly too, which normally all mattes are like that, especially if it's a liquid. They're gonna dry quickly. Okay, you guys, first and foremost, let me tell you, I love the color. I love the smell of this liquid lip gloss. Now, the only thing that I do not like, and I'm feeling it as I'm talking to you guys right now, is that my lips are kind of like sticking together. Like, if you guys can see that. Like that. That I don't like. So with that being said, I may put a gloss over it if I just, you know, if that just really starts to bother me. That's the only thing that I don't like, but the color of it, you guys, is so pretty. Like, it's so gorgeous. Let's put it up against the mask to see if it actually is going to transfer through to the mask, because I've given it some time to kind of dry up and do its thing. So let's see exactly if this is really gonna be transfer proof, because I don't know. And I have it up against my mouth, if you guys can tell. Okay, so this is what I got from that, you guys. So there is a little that does come off of it. It's not bad. It's not like it's a lot. You know how you can have a lot coming off of your lips? It's not that bad, but still, if it's supposed to be transfer resistant, you guys, you would think that automatically, like, oh my gosh, you just not, none is gonna be on here at all. But you guys, it is on there. I clearly put my lips on this mask right here, so. Let's move on to the other colors, you guys, and see how they look on lips. I do like the look of the colors. I really do. And let me see. Now, you guys, when I'm putting it on my finger, when I'm rubbing my finger, like, nothing is coming off. So this is my finger, and I put my hand to my lip, and nothing is coming off. So I mean, maybe that was just a little bit of extra residue that was on there. I don't know, but I mean, it didn't come off of my finger, so I guess it's pretty good for transfer resistance. So let's go ahead and move into the other colors, you guys. All right, you guys, so I am back, and I can tell you, to get that off of your lips, it really is a 16-hour wear. It was a little hard, so I had to get a makeup wipe and some tissue. I would suggest you guys do the same thing if you are testing out these lipsticks and you're not sure which one, because they are matte and they are there to stay for the longest. So we're gonna move on to the next color, you guys. I'm actually gonna go in with Cocoa Conserve. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And this is what it looks like. And we're gonna swatch it right next to the first color. This color, you guys, is really pretty. It's more like a fall or autumn shade, like a really deep rustic orange, and I absolutely love it. So let's go ahead and swatch it on our lips, you guys. That one smells like cocoa. It smells like chocolate. Now, you guys, Maybelline, they came out with their Less Chocolates collection like years ago, and I actually have 2 of the shades from their Less Chocolates collection, and I absolutely love it. Like I said, if you put too much on, it can get a little bit like a stickiness at the lips, but if you just put like 1 coat on, because it is so rich and potent, then you'll be fine. So we're gonna put this on our lips, you guys, and again, I would never use this color, but this color, it looks so gorgeous. Now this one, you guys, I don't know if I like. I feel like maybe with the right lipstick, the right makeup look, like eyeshadow and everything. These are nice fall colors. Okay, I take it back. I do like it. Now that I have it on, I do like it, you guys. These colors are so, these were only $7.99, you guys. To let it dry. Now we're gonna do the test on the mask. Now I'm gonna use like this bottom part and put it up against me, since I kind of did the middle already. So let's see. My mouth is moving, guys, so you know it's up against my mouth. Okay, so it did again, you guys, give a little bit off. Let me show you guys. You guys can see it down here. It did give a little bit off, but it's not like a whole thing of lipstick. Like, it's not like your whole lipstick is off on your actual mask. So it's not bad at all. I still would highly recommend it because the shades are absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, you guys, let's move on to the last liquid lip matte lipstick and see what color that's popping off, guys. Alright, you guys, so the next color, the next flavor, and this coffee mix is actually going to be the Mocha and Winter. So this is what it looks like, you guys. I need to take that off of there. This is the color. I'm going to open it up and I'm going to swatch it. If you guys hear a baby in the background, that's my baby. He is like not going to sleep. So your girl still had to do what she had to do, okay? And this is what that one looks like. It's the very last one. Now these two have already dried up, you guys. That's the last color. And it actually looks similar to this one, maybe a little bit more deeper. So I'm gonna apply this to my lip, you guys, to see how this one is gonna pop off on me and my skin tone. Alright, you guys, this one is absolutely gorgeous. This color is so bomb. It gives me like a 90s vibe with this color, because you know, back in the 90s we did like the little lip liner that was like chocolate brown, or we did like more of like these browns and nude colors on our lips back in the 90s, and this is giving me 90s vibes, you guys. I'm actually gonna leave it on my lips all day today because I like the color and it goes good with my makeup. I may change up my hair though because this ain't staying, but yeah, you guys, this looks so good. And again, guys, here are the swatches for all the colors. This is the first one, this is the second one, this is the last one that I do have on my lips, you guys. And like, even on my hand, like, it's pretty good, you know. They're, like I said, they're a little bit sticky, just a little bit, but now that I have it, now that it's like really dry on my lips, I don't feel that stickiness anymore. So these are definitely totally worth the buy. If you guys have not checked them out, I got these from CVS. Make sure you guys head over to CVS. They had them. They actually only had these 3 left. That's the only reason why I only have 3. And I couldn't find any more anywhere else. But if you guys have any CVS's near you or any drugstore, go to it and check them out, you guys. You'll be happy. They're totally worth it. And I'm all for these tones. Like I said, I never really want to try these tones in the past, but I absolutely love it. So I guess that ends today's video, you guys. I want to come on here and do like a nice like little lip swatch, lip tutorial, because I never ever have done that at all. So I wanted to hop on here, you guys, and show you guys nice fall looks for the lips. So again, you guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome to your girl's channel. Hit the subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, loves.